How to delete text messages forever on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here, you can choose to delete the whole text conversation, or you can delete individual text messages. So to delete individual text messages, go into the text conversation, then touch and hold on the text message. After that, you can select one or multiple text message and then tap on the delete button, then tap on delete. And this will allow you to delete the messages within the conversation. If you want to delete the whole text conversation, you can touch and hold on the message list out here. So from messages, touch and hold and select it. Then go to the top and then tap on the delete button. From the pop-up, tap on delete this conversation. And that's it. The whole conversation has now been removed. Now another option is sometimes you can swipe across to delete. Now at the moment, my swipe action has been set to archive the text message instead of deleting. To change this behavior, what we can do is go into settings. So tap on your profile picture icon, then go down and tap on messages settings. After that, we scroll down and tap on swipe actions. In here, choose swipe left or swipe right to change. So here, if I swipe to my left, it will archive. So I'm going to select delete. Now tap on the back key. And this time you can see, I can simply swipe across to delete the conversation, then tap on delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And this is how you can permanently delete a text message conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.